Shipping delays, broken items, and angry customers, that's the old way to do e-commerce.
In 2026, the real money is invisible. No warehouses, no shipping, just instant profit delivered straight to a smartphone. Hi everyone, I'm Denny. Well, and today I'm showing you the exact blueprint to getting rich with digital products using Sellvia.
The biggest barrier to starting a business has always been the how. How do I build a site? How do I find products? Sellvia literally removes those questions. They build the store for you. You get a professional, high-converting site ready to go, and you can test it for 14 days without spending a single cent on the platform itself. It's the ultimate no-excuse business model. Now look at what you're actually selling. On sellviacatalog.com, we have digital assets that solve real problems. Take this home workout plan. It costs nothing to manufacture. Every time you sell it, the customer gets it instantly, and you keep a massive 50 to 70% markup. You don't need a garage full of inventory. You just need a link that works 24/7 while you're out with your family.
But Denny, how do I get people to see my store? Easy. Sellvia has a built-in ad system.
They even give you a $40 ad coupon to start. You set your budget, say $15 a day, and the AI finds people on Google and Facebook who are actually looking for your products. It's automated income at its finest. You aren't chasing customers, they are finding you. In 2026, information is the most valuable currency. People are tired of cheap plastic stuff from overseas. They want knowledge. They want to improve their lives. By selling these digital guides through Sellvia, you're providing value. And when you provide value at scale, that's when the rich part happens. One sale is a hobby. 10 sales a day is a life-changing career. I've seen thousands of people change their lives with this, from stressed out parents to retirees looking for extra income. The difference between them and everyone else? They click the button.
Well, the 14-day trial and the $40 coupon are there for a reason, to prove to you that this works. Don't let another year pass you by. Click the link below, get your store set up tonight, and let's make 2026 your most profitable year yet. I'm Denny. Stop dreaming, start selling. See you in the next one.